And here is the results. Custom resod. We completed everything on time for the 4th of July. And in this case, we did not take out all of the sod. We kept the good that they had. And they had a good amount of grass in their front yard that they wanted to keep. So we worked with it. Palmetto is the shade tolerant St. Augustine, and that's what we will always install whenever there's these beautiful mature oak trees that are casting a lot of shade. The palmetto thrives under these trees. Call Florida Pro. We know where to go to get the palmetto. Hold on, should I trademark that? Big shout out to all the clients who have their orders in. This is how your yard will look when we install it, and it will get greener and greener. You got to make sure you water it. It's been fertilized. You got to make sure you water it. We went through the sprinklers, verify that everything was getting coverage. There's a few opportunities for some improvements, but overall everything's getting coverage, and that's all you need. Adjust your water times accordingly. With St. Augustine and with all grass, you really want to focus more on how long you water. You want to water for longer periods of time and less frequently, so you don't want to water that frequently. But when you do water, you want to water for a good amount of time. But this fresh sod, you want to water twice a day. Twice a day. And then as time goes by, slowly back that off. It's a big investment. You want to keep it nice. So treat it like a baby. Okay, so that's it. Very excited, very happy. I'm happy. Thank you. And leave your comments. Let us know what you think about the latest resod. Give us a call, 904-321-9181, and get a free quote. Till next time. Peace.